Welcome to the low mid-budget watch report, and today I'm going to unbox the Casio MDV106G-1AV Golden Diver, and this is how the box looks like. It's a classic Casio box made of paper, very nice, very stylish if you ask me. And the watch is on a plastic display that looks like this instead of a pillow, and the manual is inside this thing. And this is how the watch looks like. And the watch measures 22 millimeters between the lugs, and from lug to lug 50 millimeters, and 48 millimeters from the crown to the bottom, and the bezel is 44 millimeters, and the thickness of the watch is 12 millimeters, and the weight is 92 grams. And underneath this plastic, it's a display of mineral crystal glass. Unlike my other Casios, this has a screw lock case back and a screw down crown. It has a date display, and it's of course quartz movement, and it has a little image of I think it is a swordfish, if I'm not mistaken. It also has a swordfish on the back of the case, and it's water resistant to 20 bars. You can very much dive with this diver watch. Strap feels very nice and soft. Feels heavy, it's 92 grams as I said. Feels like a really well made diver. And the batteries are supposed to keep this watch ticking for 3 years, I suppose. It will, it's a Casio. The bezel only goes backwards when screwing it, not the other way. And this is how the watch looks up close. As you can see, it's a very well made fine Casio. It's a very good looking diver. And this is how it looks in the dark. No remarks here, it shows what you need to see. This is by far the best low budget diver I ever came across. The best quartz diver I ever came across. Good. It feels good, it feels like a quality diver, and it looks nice. I usually don't like the fake gold, but on this one it suits perfectly. You can really dive with this watch. I believe the waterproof information is 100% correct, because it's a Casio, and I don't think there will be any problem diving with this watch. For the price, I will give this watch a 9 out of 10. You can't get a better diver for the price of $80. It's perfect, almost perfect. That's all.